Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to link Exness to Tradingview. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how exactly can you create an account on Tradingview? Launch in a browser of your choice. I'm currently using Google Chrome, and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to link Exness to Tradingview. Exness is part of the broadcast, but let us confirm if Exness is a broker that is supported by Tradingview. Now from this homepage, you can check the top corner of your screen where you have products, community, markets, news, brokers, and more. So go ahead and click on broadcast. And once you click on broadcast, you can now follow through with the on-screen prompt to see if you can find Exness. I don't want to bog your head too much. I'm sorry, you'll not be able to find it. Now you can go over to market and open the chart of any market of your choice. So I currently have this open, that is Tesla. So from this chart, head over to the bottom. You see stock screener, pine editor, strategy tester, and trading panel. Now head over to the trading panel and scroll the way down. We have a couple or a wide array of brokers that are supported by Tradingview. Now if you scroll easy, you'll see that you will not be able to find Exness as part of the brokers list. Now, this apparently implies that Tradingview does not support Exness and Exness does not support Tradingview. It means as at July 2024, it is quite impossible to link Exness to Tradingview. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.